Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Ginger was used as health tonic about 5,000 years ago in China, and in today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of ginger tea. We'll explore why it's not just delicious but also incredibly good for your health. So, get ready to learn about the many ways ginger tea can improve your well-being. Now, before we dive into the fantastic health benefits of ginger tea, let's begin with the basics. Ginger tea is a warm, aromatic beverage made by steeping fresh or dried ginger root in hot water. It's a simple and soothing combination that's been enjoyed for centuries. Now move on its exciting part, its remarkable health benefits. Immune boosting. One of the most impressive benefits of ginger tea is its immune boosting power. It's rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help your body to fight with infections. Think of it as a protective shield for your health, particularly during cold and flu season. Soothing digestion. If you've ever experienced digestive discomfort like bloating, indigestion, or an upset stomach, ginger tea can be a lifesaver. It works by relaxing your intestinal muscles, helping food move through your system more smoothly. Pain relief. Ginger tea is also a natural pain reliever. It contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce pain and discomfort. Whether you're dealing with muscle soreness, arthritis, or menstrual cramps, ginger tea can provide relief. Weight management. For those on a weight management journey, ginger tea can be a valuable tool. It boosts metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. It also acts as an appetite suppressant, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Stress reduction. In our fast-paced lives, stress is a common companion. Ginger tea has a calming effect on the nervous system, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Sipping on a warm cup of ginger tea can be a great way to unwind and relax. Heart health. Ginger tea can also be a heart-healthy choice. It may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart diseases. So, by drinking ginger tea, you're not just soothing your taste buds, you're also taking care of your heart. Skin care and hair benefits. Ginger tea is not just for sipping, it has beauty benefits too. The antioxidants in ginger can help improve your skin's complexion, and it may even contribute to healthier hair. How to make ginger tea. To make ginger tea from fresh ginger root, start by peeling and slicing a piece of ginger, about the size of a thumb. Then, bring a cup of water to a boil, add the ginger slices, and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor. Finally, strain the tea into your favorite cup, and you're ready to enjoy the warm and inviting taste of ginger tea. You can also add a slice of lemon for a zesty twist, or a touch of honey for sweetness. If you're pressed for time or convenience is your priority, ginger tea bags are a quick and easy option. Simply steep the tea bag in hot water for a few minutes, and you'll get the same great taste and benefits. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please subscribe for more interesting videos on health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.